Yo guys, what's up? Today we are going to write a little bit of cool Darkpsy music. I'm just going to start up Cubase there in the background. Hopefully now everything just works as intended, because this is feels like, yeah, many times I tried to record that. Okay, subsistence. I couldn't even save the last time, so since this is Darkpsy, this will go in my 13 Monkeys folder. Yeah, gonna have to do that again. Yeah, subsistence. Alright, so blank project. Here we go. So let's start with the setup. 148, fair enough. Then the next thing, I'm going to pull out the mixer. And I'm going to put a maximizer here because I'm working on headphones. So I want to hear what I'm doing. Going to put that on 3.5. And then ISC4 transient. Next, we need to put in two things. One is the VB1. Going to put that on 0, the release. Then those two will go to the side. And I'm going to choose bars and beats here. And then for the quantization, going for beats. I will hold Alt, just draw something in there. We just need one beat for now. Okay, going to loop that. And another instrument track will go in for the bassism. So, first of all, I'm always using that combo if I'm writing trance, because this is my favorite timbre, so to say, and this is the way I can control it the best. And there's obviously, I work with a countless amount of other synthesizers and tools for bass. But with the VB1, it's a lot about the processing. But anyway, that's just at the side. Sorry, that was a bit loud, I guess. Pull that down a bit. And activate the loop, of course. Yeah, that sounds right. Now the next thing, we want the bass line. So what I'm going to do is just draw in 3/16 notes with Alt pressed, and I think I'm going for E. Okay, so the first thing, let's mute that bass for a second. This sounds way too hollow. Yeah, I think that's better. And I'm gonna apply a high cut here, because that's too loud. Okay, let's go for an SSL EQ here. But actually, before we do that, we should probably fine-tune the kick in here. just gonna pull that down to fix the phasing. Let's go inside the envelope here. Let's go to the bass. Let's pull the SSL over there, and let's see, a little bit lower, like maybe 330 or something. Actually, for now, I'm fine with this. I bet it sounds quite low. Let's maybe go a little bit deeper inside this. We could try out a lot of other things, of course, but often it's good to keep it simple. at the same time, we need to take care of the lows a bit at least. And in general, like, let's put that, oh, not MIDI learn, sorry. No, I don't want to learn anything. Let's put that to natural phase. Keep it simple is often the best mode of going about this. I can tell you that out of experience. But also, just for 1 second, I need to hear it on the speakers just to hear what I'm doing. Yeah, that actually sounds good, in my opinion, on the speakers as well. I mean, the aim always is that it kind of like, it should kind of sound the same, actually. That's anyway the trick, you know, like if your music always sounds the same, of course it doesn't, but like if it always comes out really nicely, then you did a good job. So, you know, on all kinds of devices, cell phone, living room 5.1, home theater, TV, laptop, good speakers, studio headphones, hi-fi headphones. Yeah. Let's color those. I always like to color my stuff. Why is it not working? Oh yeah, that's some kind of window bug. Okay. Yeah, we have our bass. Very good. So this is the first part of the tutorial. Very important part. This sounds like a bass. That sounds really good if you do not play a lot with tonal changes in the bass. Let's see. Let's just do the old minor climb. 2, 3, 5. Not too bad. No, also seems to work tonally, but I mean, that doesn't mean that we have to do anything. to keep it rather dark, but yeah, maybe let's keep that at the side just as a random idea. Okay, so we can plan out our track a bit here. I'm gonna put that here. This is going to be our intro section. Can also name that. And if you wouldn't bug out Cubase, now it's working, you see? But it's still a little bit bugged out here. Yeah, it's probably caused by my multi-screen setup, because I have quite a lot of screens, so that might be the reason. Is it working now? No, still not. This will be our intro section. And this will be our bassline. Okay, cool guys. Hope that you enjoyed the first part of the tutorial. We are going to write more on this track, I guess. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more videos from this track. Just like continuing the production. Put it down in the comment section below. Other than that, feel free to head over to our website, instinct-learning.com. It's instinct-learning.com. instinct-learning.com for tutorials, articles, etc. Some cool info and cool products, samples, presets, learning courses, tutorials, etc. Free and paid as well. So I see you guys in the next video. Cheers.